Kind of clear what we're doing today, huh?
Yeah, it's shop cleaning day. We
Place
have
is a mess.
lot to do. Move everything, move vehicles. We got to get that truck down because we got some shit doing. Or got some shit going on with that thing. We're gonna start working on her. We're gonna do tubular front end. We're getting all that done. We're putting brakes on, new brakes on. It's gonna be crazy. And we're gonna start rolling with her.
Gotta get that beast
Getting
moved too.
Oh yeah, you gotta get her all prepped and ready, getting her ready to go in the truck.
And for some reason, we got the old seats
It's
out
not
of
really
this
the
thing.
end of racing season, but it's getting there, and I'm itching to get starting to work on that again. So
We'll get it ready for next season.
yeah, my goal is we're gonna get her going and going down the track by at least next spring, right when season's starting to come up again. But until then, we've got a lot of work to do.
Yeah. We'll get this all cleaned up. Probably set it up on a time lapse up there or something.
Yeah, we'll do something. We'll get it up there so you guys don't have to suffer with us. But yeah, I'm super excited for this little project we're about to do. I like cleaning the shop, make it look cool. But some stuff needs to change. We just got crap everywhere. But
It's not the most efficient organization. It just kind of adds up.
yep, definitely adds up. But
Get
all
some
right,
vehicles moved out, and we'll get this thing set up on
let's
time
get
lapse.
after it.
Them old Firehawk Indy 500. Like it's 1949 again.
Messy. A huge mess around here. Oh boy. Well, we got all the vehicles moved out. Well, not all of them, but the ones we needed out. But, wow. I forget how big it is sometimes when got the stuff moved out. But yeah, we're gonna keep cleaning out and making some room, making it a little more comfortable around here. And make things easier to work on because it gets tight around here once we got all these vehicles in here. But all right, we're gonna get after it a little bit more. So see ya. Alright, got this little section done. There's one down. Yeah. Now we're gonna go work on this little area here, and we'll get back with you. TV area done and parts, assortment stuff. So we got this all knocked out, and now we're gonna move on to the toolbox area.
That shouldn't be.
That's not too bad.
I work on it a little bit.
Knock that out. We're just moving right along the shop. We'll make it circle.
All right.
Let's get after it.
Alright, about wrap this up. Just wiping down the toolbox. Next is whatever we're doing here.
This thing's gonna look a lot better.
I'm trying to convince him to move that toolbox over here and then move these tires up there.
This thing's gonna look like a Snap-on.
Eh.
This thing looking good.
Alright, he's talking to the roll cage guy for tubular front end on the gold truck. While he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up, sweep it out. We got the press moved and the cherry picker and transmission jack. Now we're going to move in the sandblaster and the parts washer. And that should open up a lot of space.
We got that little area done. Got our parts washer, our little sandblaster here. Ducked it all under here a little bit neater. I got opened this up a lot more. So I think we're gonna put our press right in here somewhere. Our cherry picker and our transmission jack right in this little area here. So it's easy to get to a little better. And it's definitely gonna free some things up. So.
Yep. Alright,
Alright, we're gonna get back after it. Got a lot done. Now we're getting ready to move gotta get the forklift out. That shouldn't take too long. Gonna get that out, move the motor over here next to this one, and that should really open some space up here in this main floor area. So.
This thing got an LS motor. Got 2J?
I might come get it from the other side.
Okay, that's probably your best bet. Alright, back around out. This thing fits like a glove right here. Yeah, so looks good. Looks real good. Hey, how high you gonna go?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Hey, everybody with the chair. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay, okay. That's good.
I've got you right where I want
No.
Don't move.
Put it down. Put it down.
What's the view like from there?
Put it down. Dude, this is...
I'm forklift certified.
I don't... Oh, my.
Watch your hand.
It's fine.
Thank you for riding.
Oh, that was eventful. Anyway, this motor looks good right there. Alright boys, got everything cleaned up. Got all of the tools and everything all organized. Had everything wiped down. That thing looks brand new, pretty much. Reorganized. Front clip for the 88, the 68 on the lift. Probably gonna put the black truck on the lift because he likes driving that thing every once in a while. We got the motors figured out. They're all lined out. Got the wheels sitting under here. Then we got the headers back here. Seeing daylight for the first time in a long time.
Yeah, don't look too bad out there.
Okay.
Worst thing is go down the track.
Oh, she's a peach. Till you look under there. It's like, whoa. Hey now. Got the turkey sitting in the back. Got your baby cage. Yeah, she's a peach. Gonna get some work done here soon. Got that Maximus hood on her. Yeah. That thing is massive. Yeah. You're good. All the trucks in here. Now it's time for the Mustang.
Car sounds so good.
Sure does. Got all the vehicles in here. Everything's clean. I'm gonna walk outside and get a peek of everything.
Oh, shit. They would not approve. God dang, I just tripped over. They'd be right in the Who's the manager on this job site here?
I don't think he was forklift certified.
Alright boys, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed the different style of video that we just did. It was a little different for us too, but we figured you guys would like a little shop cleaning video because we're always out and about, and figured we'd come in the shop here for a video and show you around, clean some stuff up, and do some time-lapse videos. So I hope you guys found some of those videos pretty fascinating. And yeah, so we got the gold truck here off the ground finally after I don't even know how many months, probably at least 6-7 months. It's good to see her back on the ground. We got all the trucks organized, got the motors lined up, got the 632 and we got the 355 lined up, and everything's clean, spotless. As you can see, it's awesome around here. I can't wait to start working in the shop more and getting this Gold Truck back up and running. We're gonna have some more videos coming out with the Gold Truck involved. We're gonna be installing tubs, line X. It's gonna be looking good here in the back. We're gonna start mounting fuel cell and stuff. Got a lot of big things coming. I just got off the phone a little bit earlier with our roll cage and suspension guy, framework guy, and he said he'd get us in here pretty soon. So we're gonna be putting new suspension on the front, doing a rack and pinion, and a tubular K-member on the truck. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of big stuff happening to the Gold Truck here pretty soon, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.